Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Guys, Ramadan is coming in March 1st, which is only a few days away. So I'm preparation for Ramadan. Now today I came to a store to get Ramadan decorations to put around my house. And guys, they had so many over here. They had plates and tissues, and so many lanterns, and bags, and stickers, and so much more. Now continuing in the video, I'm going to be showing you all the Ramadan stuff in here, and I'm going to be picking out a lot of stuff as well. There was so many decorations, I didn't know which one to pick. I didn't know what to pick because the whole aisle was full of decorations. And there was so much and I didn't know what to pick. I was really excited for the month of March coming and going to get decorations because I love fasting and I love Ramadan. And there was some people as well looking for decorations. Last year I did all 30 days. And even though I got sick and was in school. And last year was my first year I did fully 30 days. And now after looking at all the decorations, guys, I got one whole bag full of decorations. Now I came home and we finally started preparating for the Ramadan food. And guys, this is potato cutlass and it's so good. And I was helping out my mom with all the foods. Now after making so many, I have to put them in the fridge for them to freeze. And in Ramadan, then you can just put it in the microwave and put in oil and boil it, and then it's gonna be ready. And guys, now I'm pouring this homemade sauce, which is chutney. Now I'm filling it up fully because my whole family loves chutney. And it's really tasty to dip it in with the food. And guys, now we're making samosas, which is my favorite part. And now I'm opening the package. Now I'm showing you all the necessary stuff that you need to make a samosa. And guys, now that I made the samosa base, I'm gonna be filling it up. Now I'm putting white flour. And it's a bit sticky so I could close it and then the samosa's ready. Guys, there's my samosas. And look how many there are. They're finally finished. Now I'm going to be making potato samosa. My family likes this one a lot too. And for this one, you need dough. And now I'm going to be showing you how to make it. And now I'm going to be filling it in. Guys, it's ready. And guys, after all this food is ready and prepared, I'm going to be putting it in a box, all layers, so I could fit them because we need a lot for the whole month. And then I'm going to put it in my fridge, which my fridge got so filled up. And guys, as you can see, it's all in the fridge, but there's way more to come in the fridge after because we have to make way more. And guys, now I'm going to be making this little pastry. And I'm going to be showing you what I need to make it. As all the food for Ramadan is ready now. This is all filled with food. This is cutlass. This one's cutlass as well. And this one is cutlass as well. Guys, look how many cutlasses there are. And this one is samosa. This big box is filled with samosa and it has multiple layers. Guys, this is potato samosas. And underneath this is potato samosas as well. And these ones are chicken samosas. And guys, we use so many containers. And this one is veggie samosa. And guys, this one's full with pastries. Guys, this took so long. It took days. after stopping because this is a lot of food. As you can see, there's a lot of containers, and I wanted to show you my experience of Ramadan this year as well. And guys, I have roasted red onion prepared as well. These are full of those. Look how many. And this one as well. Really had fun showing my preparation of Ramadan before it starts, and Ramadan is in 3 days, guys. It's so close, and I'm really excited about it. Stay tuned for my video because I'm going to be showing you my decorations and Ramadan calendar. I hope you like my video. Like and subscribe. Bye!